Hi everyone, my name is Malcolm. I live in South Africa, Caledon, which is about 140 kilometers away from Cape Town. I'm a pig farmer. We've got 150 pigs here. They do free roaming, very healthy. I will show you today how we feed them and just tell you a little bit more about what's going on our farm. How are you doing?
That's right.
You ready for your day shift?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start feeding the pigs. Here you can see the pigs waiting for their feed. What we feed them today is some wheat, barley, corn, and as you can see they're enjoying this piece of land. It's about 3 hectares. We've got some shelter there for them for the windy and cold nights. They also enjoy playing in the dam. And they've got some more shelters down there, way down there. Here's some of my babies. I'm taking them to the feeding trips. They're a very playful bunch of pigs. And this is the part they love the most. Feeding time. We have 2 camps. This is our growing camp, and these pigs can go and play in the dam or swim or do whatever they want. Kos. The pigs have about 4 hectares to graze on. They also enjoy playing in the dam down there. The dam's not very deep now. We haven't had good rain this year. Cape Town is classified 4B. That means serious drought. We had some rain this last couple of days, which we are very thankful, but it's not enough. Our summers can be quite hot and dry. Fun time in the mornings. Right, group 1 has been fed. We're going to move down to group 2, which is about 200 meters that way, and that's where we keep most of the bigger sows that's going to produce babies. Our bear Caesar, we have got 27 sows, and at this stage 1 bear, and Caesar's having a ball because he produced more than 400 babies at this stage. I will introduce you to Caesar soon. This is winter in Cape Town. It's currently 8 degrees Celsius, and I mean, it's not that cold. We're enjoying it here. This is some of our sows. They like to graze in the field, but we give them extra protein in the form of mealies, which is corn and wheat and barley. As you can see, they are pregnant. Babies due next week. What we do is we let them have their piglets wherever they want to in the field. They like to make their own nests, and then we just build a shelter around them to protect them from Cape Town winds and rain. Right, let's see if we can have some breakfast today. What 1, 2, 3 eggs. Nothing there. Still a bit early. We only have 7 layers here and 2 cocks. That's enough for us for breakfast. I mean the eggs they lay. We get up early every morning, and like most people in the cities, we have 2 alarm clocks. Beautiful. This is our sows. After we wean the pigs, we bring them back to Caesar. This is our boar. Hey Caesar buddy. He's a very friendly bloke. As I said earlier on, he has produced more than 400 babies. This boar. And as you can see, they are all dry sows. Once we wean the piglets, we bring the sows back to this area, and that one must go out. She's pregnant. She must be, we're going to take her out of the cage today. The challenge now is to get this out. Alright, we got her out. She's on her own now. She's going to make a nest somewhere in the next couple of days, and then have hopefully 10 to 14 piglets. And this is our pet dog, Luke. Very loving bloke. Possible. And he loves to chase chickens. Possible. There he's on. Oh, it's a bit cold in my pickup truck. We are very fortunate. We live close to a chicken layer farm, an egg farm, and they give us their pulp. We get about 2,000 to 3,000 eggs a week, so we're very happy about that. We mash the eggs and then we take the pulp and mix it into the pig food, high on protein. So we are very fortunate to get the eggs for free, and the pigs love it, and also it brings our food cost down. These are the temporary shelters that we built for the pigs. What's nice about it is we can break it down, move it around. I want to show you how a nest looks like that our pigs build themselves. And what's quite amazing about it is that they pull out the rhino bushes and they just build their own nest. Very amazing. What do we have here? That's not my chicken. No idea where it comes from. Anyway, he's welcome to stay here. So here we have a nest that a pig's built. I don't really want to disturb them. Let's go and have a look. She had some piglets yesterday. As I said, I don't want to get too close to her and frighten her. She doesn't need to jump up and step on her babies. This is basically a nest that she built yesterday morning, and as you can see, she's done a very good job. So we will check tomorrow how many piglets she's got. I don't really want to disturb her now because she's very protective and she might attack us, or she might even jump up and hurt the piglet. So we leave her. We'll come back tomorrow. She will only get water today. Out of experience, we know she won't eat today, she won't feed today, so we'll put some food out by the end of the day, but she'll just leave that till tomorrow. She'll only drink water today. So basically what you see here is land that's available for the pigs. They love to build a nest in this area because they don't graze here a lot because of the rhino bushes, but they like to make the nests here, and that suits us fine because then the babies aren't disturbed so much. We don't really visit this part of the farm much. population of our little community is about, I'm not sure, I guess 400 or 500. Mostly farmers, workers. As you can see in the background is the chicken farm where they produce layers, eggs, and that's where we get our pulp from. Ooh, these guys are waiting for a treat. What are you doing, buddy? That's not cool. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to see more. Thank you.